Every efficient helical pile install depends on how quickly and cleanly sections can be coupled together. Strength Squared was engineered by MacLean Power Systems to eliminate alignment issues and keep projects moving without compromise. Old-fashioned pipe sleeve couplers create real challenges during installation. Bolt holes don't readily line up, forcing crews to work around dangerous pinch points caused by rotating sections, adjusting position, and to hammer pins into place. These small delays quickly compound to extra hours or even days added to the project's duration. Installations rely on the hardware to transfer the torque, leading to deformed bolt holes. This is a visible sign of early pile failure and compromised load transfer. Strength Squared couplers use a square interface that naturally self-aligns the bolt holes when connecting the square and round shaft that eliminates pinch points. Sections engage immediately, eliminating alignment guesswork and reducing variability from one connection to the next, keeping crews working smarter and not harder. Below grade, that alignment translates into consistency. As the helical pile advances, the socket-like engagement of our couplers effectively transfers the installation torque to the pile shaft. This results in zero bolt hole deformation and a pile that can be trusted. The result is a tight, repeatable interface that minimizes movement between sections and provides greater load capacities by transferring the load directly to the pipe, not the connecting hardware. In the field, that design translates to faster connections, often up to 50% quicker than pipe sleeve couplers, helping crews reduce labor time and keep production on schedule. With flexible lead options and a connection that performs the same way every time, Strength Squared gives engineers confidence in pile behavior, and contractors a system that installs efficiently without unnecessary rework. Strength Squared couplers deliver faster installation, consistent performance, and zero compromise.